From plane's perspective, yesterday we learned about taking off the plane. Today, we're going to be learning the opposite. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the word ENMÄK. ENMÄK. ENMÄK can mean to descend or to get off. Let's see how we can use those in phrases and then sentences. To go down the stairs or to get off the bus or a bus. Let's see. Pillələrdən ENMÄK. There's also one more word for the stairs. Pilləkənlərdən ENMÄK. But it both works. Pillə is a step, basically. Pillələr steps. Pillələrdən after, from them, basically. Now, Avtobusdan ENMÄK. Avtobus is a bus, is a loan word. Avtobusdan, from the bus, basically. Otherwise, to get off the bus. Now, let's use these in some sentences. Səhərdən bəri elektrik yoxdur. Ona görə də ofisin yeddinci mərtəbəsindən pilləkənlərlə enmək məcburiyyətində qalıram və hər döngədə nəfəsimi bərpa etməyə çalışıram. That's the pilləkən I was talking about. Let's see. There has been no electricity since morning, so I have to go down the stairs from the 7th floor of the office, and I try to catch my breath at every turn. Let's see. Səhərdən bəri, since morning. Səhər, morning, səhərdən from, bəri, since. Now, elektrik, that's a loan word, electricity. Yoxdur, there is no, basically. Ona görə də, so that is why, ofisin, of the office, yeddinci, yeddi is 7, yeddinci, 7th. Mərtəbə is floor, mərtəbəsindən from the floor. Pilləkənlərlə, down the stairs. ENMƏK məcburiyyətində qalıram. I have to go down. Məcburiyyət means the feeling, obligation. You just have no choice. Now, hər döngədə, at every turn, nəfəsimi, my breath, bərpa etməyə çalışıram. Bərpa etmək to recover, but in this case, to catch. Çalışıram, I try. Okay, next one. Yağış güclü yağsa da dayanacağı qaçırmamaq üçün növbəti dayanacaqda avtobusdan enmək qərarına gəldim və küçənin o biri başına qədər qaçdım. This is for those who are, let's say, getting to one place by taking two buses, let's say. Even though it was pouring rain, I decided to get off the bus at the next stop so I wouldn't miss my stop. And I ran all the way to the other end of the street. Let's see. Even though, just that, we can say it with da. Yağış güclü yağsa da, even though. Yağış, rain. Güclü yağmak means pouring, raining strongly, basically, literal translation. Dayanacağı qaçırmamaq üçün, so I wouldn't miss my stop. Stop dayanacaq, qaçırmamaq, not to miss it. Növbəti dayanacaqda, at the next stop, avtobusdan, from the bus, enmək qərarına gəldim, decided to get off, və, and, küçənin, of the street, o biri başına qədər, the other end, qədər qaçdım, and ran all the way. Okay, that was today's word, ENMÄK. How else we can use it? That joke uses, of course. My weekend workout. Missing the elevator and practicing ENMÄK like it's a sport. Right. To support your Azerbaijani language journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to download and start learning because Module 1 in there is completely free, and that is the foundational module you would need to learn the language. I'm also giving away the whole vocabulary and all the modules there and all the modules that will come to the app in the future. The plan is to have it in 2026 September, and then more will come in 2027 March. So you will have access to all of those for free, the vocabularies. I also have masterazerbaijani.com, where I have been posting blogs every 10 days since 2025 November. You will find blogs that are on multiple topics, including tips and tricks on language and grammar and historical and cultural aspects of the language itself. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for the new word. Cheers.